How do you have a great Christmas dinner when you're scared to see anybody and get sick? Well, today I'm going to give you some ideas on what we are doing this Christmas. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom to 3 kids and I've been homeschooling since 2012. Today I'm taking a break of the homeschooling videos and I want to share with you some ideas for having an awesome Christmas day or Christmas Eve dinner with your kids and your family that you can do. So this Christmas we had a huge party planned with just my family. We have been seeing our family during this whole year and we have all been good. Everybody's been healthy, but all of a sudden there have been new cases within the family of getting sick with different things, and it's just made us become a lot more cautious. Not that we weren't being cautious, we were being super cautious, but we were still seeing families that we thought were also being cautious. However, some people do have to go to work and there's different responsibilities that they have and they're exposed to different people, not by choice. So with that being said, we had to cancel our Christmas party for the safety of everybody. So what we are going to do is continue with all of our plans for having this Christmas party. However, it's just going to be the 5 of us. So here are some fun ideas that I have to spend Christmas with my family. So I'm going to get the main thing out of the way, and that's having a Christmas dinner. This year I'm asking my kids what they want to have for dinner. I know they're used to having their cousins with them and it being a big Christmas event, and because of that I feel a little bit bad. So I want to make sure that they're going to have the dinner that is going to make them excited about. So we're going to have a nice big Christmas dinner based on what it is that they feel like eating. We're actually splitting that up within a couple of days between Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Another thing we're going to do is build gingerbread houses. Now you guys may have done this already, but we saved ours for this day. And I should mention that all of these activities we are doing tomorrow on Christmas Eve, because for Christmas Day we are going to my in-laws for dinner, just us and them, and having a Christmas dinner there. So we are having all of our family stuff and fun stuff on Christmas Eve. So we saved our gingerbread houses so we can make 3 gingerbread houses all together on Christmas Eve. Another idea that we have is to have some Christmas karaoke. So I thought this would be such a fun idea. I went on YouTube and I looked up Christmas karaoke, and sure enough there's a bunch of songs, karaoke version with the lyrics on there for us to sing and joke around with as a family. Of course, the only one in the family, actually all 3 of my kids can sing, but only the girls are actually they're all pretty shy except for my little one. But so we'll have to see how that goes. That'll be pretty funny. Another idea I have for our Christmas Eve party is to have an escape room. I'm going to purchase one of those inexpensive little printable escape rooms off of Etsy or one of the websites and prepare a little escape room for my kids to work together as a team while I record it all. Another thing we're going to do is have a hot cocoa station and s'mores. So we'll have the fire pit up, we'll make some s'mores, have some hot cocoa. You can do a little dessert table where your kids get to decorate desserts or do baking. If it's just that you guys, you don't have to host other people, you can do whatever you want. I mean, you can do whatever you want anyway, but it's just a lot more freedom when it's just you and your husband and your kids. My family, my extended family, all of my cousins, we are a big fan of Taboo. Every time we get together, we love to play Taboo. So I went online and I looked up Christmas Taboo in hopes that they'd have a couple of Christmas Taboo cards, and sure enough, they did. So without reading them, I printed them out, I'm gonna cut them out, and we're gonna have a little mini round of Taboo. So if you guys are not familiar with Taboo, what it is you get a card with a name on top. It could be Christmas tree, and then there's like 4 keywords at the bottom that you're not allowed to say. So you have to get your team to guess the word Christmas tree without using any of the keywords. The keywords and you can't use any words in the title. So you can't use Christmas, you can't use tree, you might not be able to use ornaments or leaves or pine, or stuff like that. Then you have to try to get your team to guess the word Christmas tree in a minute without using any of those words, and if they guess it, you get a point. First person to a set amount of points wins. Oh, another thing we're going to be doing is baking cookies for Santa and making reindeer food for his reindeer. So we'll do that also in the evening. We'll be baking our Christmas cookies and we will be making reindeer food to sprinkle out on the grass and on the lawn and on the sidewalk for the reindeer to be able to find our home easily.
Carrot for them.
And my daughter wants to get carrots for the reindeer as well, so we can feed those reindeer and Santa when they arrive at our house on Christmas morning or Christmas Eve night, or whenever it is that he comes. So those are my top ideas. What are you guys doing to celebrate the holidays this year? Are you seeing relatives outside of your immediate household? How are you going to celebrate Christmas Day or Christmas Eve? Leave me some comments so that everybody can get some good ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.